Welcome back to another video. Today we will discuss top 7 lightweight sport motorcycles in 2024. Number 7, Aprilia Rs 457. With a powerful punch, the 2024 Aprilia Rs 457 is an amazing sports bike. It's not just a look-alike, having been built with the same DNA as the fire-breathing RS V4 and RS 660. This Italian pocket rocket has a powerful, smooth, parallel twin-cylinder engine that produces a lot of power. It's a thrill to ride because it's light and has 47 horsepower. The RS 457 excels in handling. It has powerful brakes, handles corners with ease, and steers with ease. Its paint job, color splash, and style all show attention to detail. Rider aids improve safety, particularly for inexperienced riders, but their functionality will be valued by seasoned riders. Number 6, Yamaha YZF R3. A stylish and potent supersport bike, the 2024 Yamaha YZF R3 is ideal for riders looking to get into the R world. It has fluid bodywork and ergonomics inspired by the Moto G PYZ RM1 with Yamaha superbike design. Thanks to Yamaha's championship-winning technology, the 321cc liquid-cooled inline two-cylinder engine produces great power over the RPM range. The YZF R3 is an intriguing option for riders because it blends style, performance, and refinement, whether you're cruising the wide road or carving curves. Number 5, KTM Rc 390. Rooted strongly in the racetrack, the 2024 KTM Rc 390 is a high-performance supersport motorcycle. It is propelled by a dependable 4-stroke single-cylinder 373cc liquid-cooled engine that produces strong torque and powerful blows. Precise engine mapping is guaranteed by the ride-by-wire system, and as the exhaust charges through the gears, the aluminum muffler and stainless steel headers produce a throaty, distinctive sound. By lowering unsprung mass, the bionic wheel design improves turn-in and handling on the track. The RC 390 provides the best possible track performance and rider comfort with to its TFT display and optional quick shifter. This bike has an unquestionable pedigree as a real-world racer, whether you're carving turns or smashing the apex. Number 4, Kawasaki Ninja ZX 4RR. Bring out your inner racer with the 2024 Kawasaki Ninja ZX 4RR ABS Supersport motorcycle. It's built for confident riding with a class-leading 399cc engine, agile handling, and aggressive styling. Its attractiveness is enhanced by the metallic spark black color, and smooth gear changes are guaranteed by the Kawasaki quick shifter. The superior Showa BFRC light rear shock improves performance, making it a great option for riders of all skill levels. The Ninja ZX4RR offers an exhilarating ride whether you're cutting turns on the track or taking wild rides. Number 3, CF Moto 300 SR. With a 298cc engine, the 2024 CF Moto 300 SR is a sport racing motorcycle. SR stands for sport racing. Customers can purchase this high-value product from CF Moto, which combines a distinctive and elegant appearance with exceptional handling and agility. With its aerodynamic style and sloping riding position, the 300 SR contemporary design facilitates speedier riding. Riders will have an exciting ride on this motorcycle because to its ABS-equipped disc brakes. Number 2, CF Moto 450 SR. The 2024 CF Moto 450 SR is now even more enticing to enthusiasts. With enhanced braking, a more responsive throttle, updated headlamps, and a revised exhaust tone, riding dynamics have improved. Starlight White and one Zircon Black are 2 new liveries that offer a modern appearance. Traction control, the most recent Bosch ABS, and Motobox communication technology are now standard features. The bike's 449cc twin-cylinder engine, which generates 28.7 pound-feet of torque and 49.6 horsepower, is still present. The 450 SR boasts a monoshock, 37mm USD forks, and a trellis frame for quick riding characteristics at a 31.2-inch saddle height. Number 1. Kawasaki Ninja 500 sport bikes like the 2024 Kawasaki Ninja 500. Are powerful statements. Everywhere it goes, its strong styling grabs attention. This machine's 451cc twin-cylinder engine, which produces famed Ninja performance, is its heart. The Ninja 500 provides a quick and thrilling ride whether you're zipping through metropolitan streets or winding through winding canyons. Furthermore, its Ninja H2-inspired trellis structure guarantees ideal rigidity without sacrificing weight. This A2-ready sports bike, which goes on sale in March 2024, is a great option for riders looking for both thrill and utility because it is both approachable and edgy.